Imagine being able to shoot smooth cinematic videos on your smartphone without needing a crew, extra cameras, or a bunch of bulky gear. Sounds almost too good to be true, right? Well, today we're taking a closer look at the Hohem iSteady V3 Ultra, a gimbal that promises to make high-quality solo filming easier than ever. From AI tracking to remote control and built-in accessories, this little device packs a lot of features. But does it really deliver on all the hype? Or is it just another over-engineered phone accessory? Let's dive in and find out. First off, let's talk about design and build quality. The V3 Ultra immediately gives you a sense that it's more than a simple stabilizer. It's compact, folds neatly, and is easy to carry whether you're traveling or just moving around town. Yet once unfolded, it feels solid and well-balanced in the hand. The grip is comfortable, which is great for longer shoots, and the control layout is intuitive, even if this is your first gimbal. Instead of magnetic clamps like some competitors, Hohem went with a traditional phone clamp. Sure, it takes an extra second to mount your phone, but the trade-off is a rock-solid hold that won't budge even during fast movements or aggressive rotations. Another standout is the built-in extension rod. With a simple pull, the gimbal doubles as a mini selfie stick, giving you extra reach for overhead shots, wider framing, or group videos. It's small, but it adds a lot of creative flexibility without needing extra gear. Plus, the integrated tripod legs at the bottom make it just as handy on a desk or the ground as it is in your hand. Now this is where the V3 Ultra really starts to shine, its AI tracking capabilities. Unlike most gimbals that rely solely on your phone's camera or an app, Hohem's AI module visually identifies and follows subjects on its own. That means it can track people, pets, or even moving objects without skipping a beat. And it works with pretty much any camera app: TikTok, Instagram, Zoom, or your phone's native camera. In practice, this is almost like having a personal cameraman with you. You can set the gimbal down on a table, step into frame, and the gimbal keeps you perfectly centered as you move. Whether you're walking, spinning, or stepping closer to the camera, the tracking remains smooth and natural, without abrupt jumps or jittery motion. Another highlight is the detachable touchscreen remote. This isn't just a novelty, it's a game changer for solo creators. You can pop the remote off, see a live preview feed, start or stop recording, adjust tracking behavior, and even switch between portrait and landscape, all from several meters away. No more running back and forth to check framing. For vloggers, fitness creators, or educators filming themselves, this feature alone makes the V3 Ultra worth considering. The remote is bright, responsive, and simple to navigate, which reinforces Hohem's focus on remote-friendly filming. You really get the sense that this gimbal is designed around independent creators who want control without needing an extra person behind the camera. Of course, a gimbal's main job is stabilization, and here the V3 Ultra doesn't disappoint. Powered by Hohem's iSteady 9.0 system, it handles walking shots, gentle running, and quick directional changes effortlessly. Footage looks smooth, natural, and cinematic, without that overly robotic gimbal effect you sometimes see in cheaper models. One feature that stands out for creative filmmakers is the unlimited 360-degree pan rotation. This means you can rotate continuously around a subject without hitting a mechanical stop, opening the door to dynamic circular shots and cinematic transitions that most smartphone gimbals simply can't achieve. Hohem didn't stop at stabilization. The V3 Ultra comes with a built-in fill light, which is surprisingly handy for solo shooting in dim environments. It's not meant to replace a full lighting setup, but it's great for evening out shadows or adding a soft glow to your subject. You can adjust the brightness and even switch between warm, neutral, and cool tones, all directly from the remote. It's a small addition that can make a big difference, especially for on-the-go content creators. Battery life is solid for a feature-packed gimbal. With light use, you can expect around 9 hours of shooting, while heavy use with AI tracking and lighting will still get you roughly 4 hours. Charging is USB-C, so it's convenient and quick. The remote has its own battery life and can handle multiple recording sessions before needing to dock back onto the gimbal. In day-to-day use, the V3 Ultra feels like it's designed to reduce friction. Gesture controls let you start tracking or recording without touching your phone, which is handy when you're a few feet away. While not perfect in every lighting scenario, these controls are effective enough to feel genuinely useful. Of course, nothing's perfect. The motors produce a faint noise that could be picked up by your phone's microphone in quiet settings, but an external mic easily solves this. Also, if all you want is basic stabilization for casual clips, the V3 Ultra might feel like overkill. That said, in terms of value, it sits in a sweet spot. It undercuts many premium gimbals while offering features they don't, like app-free AI tracking and the detachable touchscreen remote. For independent creators looking for a tool that's both capable and flexible, it's a compelling option. So, after spending time with the Hohem iSteady V3 Ultra, it's clear this isn't just a gimbal, it's a creative partner. It keeps your footage smooth, automates tracking, and gives you remote control so you can focus on making content rather than constantly adjusting the camera. For vloggers, solo YouTubers, educators, or anyone building content around themselves, it truly makes the shooting process easier and more enjoyable. If you're ready to level up your smartphone video game beyond basic stabilization, the V3 Ultra is smart, flexible, and designed with modern creators in mind. While it might feel complex at first glance, its thoughtful features and intuitive design quickly prove why this gimbal is worth the investment. That's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video and got a good look at what the Hohem iSteady V3 Ultra can do. If you have any thoughts or questions about this gimbal, drop them down in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tech reviews and content like this. Thanks for watching, take care, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.